Hello everyone, my name is Diamond Ochoa and today I will be describing the cell cycle. Now, the cell cycle is divided into three different stages, which include interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. This photo right here on the right will show you all these phases actually of interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Now, beginning with interphase to describe these different phases of the cell cycle, interphase, the majority of the cell cycle was spent in interphase. Interphase itself is also divided into three different phases. The first phase of interphase is G1 or gap1. In G1, the cell grows and maintains its routine functions as well as its contributions to the internal environment. In the second portion of interphase, there is the S phase. This is the stage in which DNA replicates and the cell is becoming prepared to divide. In the last portion of interphase is G2 or gap2. And this is where the cell is preparing for mitosis by replicating organelles such as centrioles and mitochondria. Now, going on to mitosis. Mitosis is the process in which one cell splits to create two more identical cells. This process is also divided into stages. So the first phase of mitosis is prophase. And in this phase, DNA condenses down to form thick rods, which are chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disappears, and spindle fibers form from centrioles. In metaphase, which is the next phase of mitosis, spindle fibers help chromosomes line up along the equator of the cell. The centromere of chromosomes attaches to the spindle fibers, and this will assist in the division of these chromosomes. In anaphase, which is the third phase of mitosis, sister chromatids separate into chromosomes, and the chromosomes move to opposite ends of the cell. Each side of the cell contains an equal number of chromosomes as found in the original cell. Each new cell is identical to the previous cell. And this photo right here will show you a cell in anaphase. Telophase and cytokinesis, which are the last phases of mitosis, is where the chromosomes uncoil, the nuclear envelopes reform, the cell membranes start to reappear, and finally, the cell finishes its division and re-enters the interphase stage to start the process of the cell cycle over again. Here's a picture of telophase and cytokinesis of mitosis. Here on the left, this is my telophase right here, and this is cytokinesis right here. Now, lastly, the resources that I used were the McGraw-Hill 2015 Human Anatomy and Physiology textbook, as well as this YouTube video that is linked right here, and it was very helpful to make my presentation.